Hi, welcome to JJ's Appliques. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to create a vinyl zipper pouch. Supplies needed to make this vinyl zipper pouch include tear-away stabilizer only in your hoop, a D-style clasp, 4 inches of 5/8 inch ribbon or the fold-over elastic if you prefer to use that, a non-metal zipper that the opening is at least 1 inch wider than the zipper pouch you're creating, your vinyl, thread, some temporary adhesive, and some Scotch tape. Let's get to the machine and get started. Having your design loaded on the machine, your thread colors chosen, your hoop on the machine, stitch out the first step on the stitch map. These are the placement lines for your ribbon or fold-over elastic that you'll use to attach the clasp to the pouch. Now let's take the hoop off the machine. This design gives you 2 positions for your clasp with your fold-over elastic or ribbon. You can either have it coming out of the top of your pouch or coming out of the corner. Now I'm going to choose out of the corner. So what I do is I get the fold-over elastic, loop it between the D-ring, I use tape, put it right over the line, the alignment line. I'm choosing the corner, you can choose either one, and I tape it down in place. I'm also going to place some tape over this D-ring clasp so it doesn't get caught in my machine. Just like that. We'll go back to the machine. With your hoop back on the machine, stitch out step 2 of the stitch map to tack down the fold-over elastic or ribbon. Now you can either fast forward your machine to the next step or go ahead and stitch out that last tack down. Either way. And now take your hoop off the machine. With your hoop off the machine, we want to remove any of the tape around the just stitched in fold over elastic or ribbon. And the other thing I like to do right here is just trim this back to the stitching. Like that. With your hoop back on the machine, stitch out step 3 of the stitch map. Stitches the outline for the zipper placement and the vinyl placement. And now take your hoop off the machine. With your hoop off the machine, notice the top vinyl piece placement area, the middle where the zipper is going, and the bottom of your pouch vinyl. So get your zipper, put it in the middle with tabs extending over the edges, and tape it into place. I tape it in 3 areas like this, and take it back to the machine. With your hoop back on the machine, stitch out step 4 on the stitch map to tack the zipper to the stabilizer. hoop off the machine. Remove the tape. Cut 2 pieces of vinyl, straight edge that will be placed against the zipper teeth for the top and lower portion of the pouch. Place it right there like this. And then the next piece, make sure you get the straight edge against the zipper teeth as well. And place it there, and then tape it in place. I place a piece of tape directly on the vinyl, over the zipper, directly over it, and onto the stabilizer, a piece in the middle, and then one over the vinyl, directly over the zipper here, and take it back to the machine. Step 5 on the stitch map, we'll triple stitch the vinyl to the zipper right at the teeth. If you want to use a contrasting color of thread here, it's a good time to change your thread color before you stitch the next step. And remove your hoop from your machine. With your hoop off the machine, remove the piece of tape that is next to the tab opening and open your zipper. And bring it in to the middle. Now, tape it back down. And if you want to, tape the rest of this down in the front, because next we will be applying the backing. So at this point, flip your hoop over. If you want, trim up the threads left over by your machines like mine. Next, get a piece of vinyl the size of the outline, little edge hanging over. I like to have the tape on mine going around all the sides, preventing it from getting caught on my machine from the underside. And take your hoop back on the machine. Before you stitch the last step, I always check to make sure I have that zipper open. The vinyl attached to the back, tape down, tape back down here on the edge where the zipper meets where you opened it again. D-hook clasp is out of the way. Stitch out the last step of your design. And remove from your machine. Once off your machine, remove from your hoop and remove all the tape. And turn it over, remove the tape from the back. Tear away the stabilizer. I still have that. Let's get all that off. see. What can we put in there? Oh, very cute. See how fast and simple this is to make. Zipper works great. I think I like the corner hang. Okay, you see how fast and easy this is to make. Very cute. I know someone who's going to love to put this on her gym bag. Okay, well, thanks for joining me again at JJ's Appliques for this fun little stitch out of the vinyl zipper pouch. Vinyl is from Glitterbug Fairy, as well as the hardware. Well, this turned out very cute. I'm very happy with it. I think I know someone who's going to love to throw this on her gym bag as well. So thank you for joining me for the fast and easy stitch out of the vinyl zipper pouch, vinyl and hardware from Glitterbug Fairy. Come back in again and see what's happening next time. Join me again next time for JJ's Appliques next project. Thank you for joining me in this JJ's Appliques in the Hoop project. Join me on my next one. See you then. Bye-bye.